Hello viewers, you are welcome to today's tutorials. In these tutorials we are going to learn how to add and also remove icons on our computer desktop. And this video we are going to identify different ways which icons can be added or also removed from the desktop background. Now this is my desktop background and I have 4 icons here. And as in the normal operation, whenever you have a desktop background, you should be able to see your control panel icon, your this PC icon, your network icon, and some icons on the desktop. But now you can see that this area I have only 4 icons. So how can I add or remove some icons from this desktop? And this is the operation we are going to have in this tutorials. So to add icons on your desktop, what you have to do is to right click on the desktop, and when you right click on the desktop you are going to have these options, and we are going to choose the last option, which is personalize. So you have a once click on personalize. We are going to have this interface, and this interface is where we are going to choose our icons that we want to have them on our desktop. So in this pane, that is the left pane here, we have themes options. So have a once click on themes, and after clicking on themes you move to the top right corner here where we have desktop icon settings. So let's have a once click on desktop icon settings. We are going to have this dialog box, and under the desktop icons we have computer, user files, network, control panel, and also the recycle bin, and all these boxes are on check. So if we want to have these desktop icons on our desktop, we have to make sure we check these check boxes. So just click to check. Now after clicking on the checkbox, you can click on apply and click on OK. Now let's close this interface. When you come back to the desktop, you see that these icons are added to our desktop background, and now we have these desktop icons, and this is the first way or the first method you can add icons onto your desktop. You can also go to the interface where we chose these icons by clicking on the start button. Then in the search box you type icons, and you are going to have this option or this best match here, that is themes and related settings. Then you have a once click on it. You are going to have this interface where you have the desktop icon setting here. Then you click on it. Then you have this dialog box. Then you click on the check boxes to have these icons on the desktop. One thing you can also customize here is you can customize your icons. These are the icons that are displayed on the desktop. You can customize by changing the icon. Example, if this Alpha Hill School icon I want to change it, I just have a once click on this, then I click on this option change icon, and this is going to display different icons here, and I can choose from any of these icons. Assuming I want to use this icon, then I click on OK, and you can see the effect here. When I click on apply, OK, and close this window, I'm going to have this icon representing the Alpha Hill School folder. So you can customize your icons by going to the themes, click on desktop icon settings, then you select which icon you want to customize, then rechange the icon. So you can also restore to default by clicking on this to have the old icon here, and that is it. So this is also the optional way of adding icons on a desktop. Now to also add icons on a desktop is to go to the start button and have a once click on it, and we're going to have this start menu, and in the start menu we have so many programs here. So if I want to add this Excel program icon on my desktop, what you can do is to left click and don't release the mouse and drag this onto the desktop, and this is going to create an icon on the desktop. And you can see that I have this icon on my desktop. You can go back. If you want to add the word icon, you click, you drag and release the mouse. and you can see how we are adding icons on the desktop. You click, you drag and release the mouse, and this is also another way of adding icons on the desktop. You can also use this method by selecting this particular program. You right click on it, and when you right click, you are going to have these options, and you are going to choose the more options, and you choose this option called open file location, and this is going to open the file location of this Microsoft Edge. Then you select this, right click on it, then you choose send to, then you choose desktop, create desktop shortcut, you click on OK, and this is going to create this icon on the desktop. You can also go back, choose a different program that you normally work with. Programs that you often work on the desktop, you can have them on the desktop with, and this is Opera mini browser. If you want to have this, you can drag, you can also right click, go to more, choose file location, and in this location you can right click on the browser, go to send to and choose desktop shortcut, and this is going to create a shortcut icon on the desktop. So these are the different ways of adding icons on the desktop. You can also go back, any icon you want to have them, you just left click and drag onto the desktop, and these are the methods or the ways of adding icons. Now, how can you remove icons on your desktop? If I want to remove all these icons I just added on my desktop, how can you remove them? You can select the icon and hit the delete key on the keyboard, and this is going to remove the icon from the desktop, and it is not going to remove it permanently from the computer system. It is just deleting it from the desktop. You can select this, hit the delete key on the keyboard. You can also select, right click and choose delete, select, right click and choose delete. You can also select multiples by clicking on this checkbox, then you right click and choose delete, and this is going to remove the icons from the desktop. These icons that we just added, they are desktop icons. You want to remove these ones too, you just go back to our right clicking method, choose personalize, click on themes, then we select desktop icon settings, then we come and uncheck these boxes, you click on apply, and finally you click on OK, and this is also going to remove the icons from the desktop. So these are the ways of adding and also removing icons on our computer desktop.